FLOWRiX, the unified solution for your digital and in-store business. In this video, we will walk through the steps to integrate Xero accounting software with FLOWRiX to automatically push sales and purchases to Xero. Go to developer.xero.com. Log in with your email and password. Click on New App. Type the app name FLOWRiX app. Select Web App. In the company or application URL, type your FLOWRiX login URL. In our case, it's https://blinds.flowrix.app. In the redirect URI, type your login URL with /0/auth/callback. Tick the box I have read and agree to Xero Developer Platform Terms and Conditions. Click Create App. Click on Configuration and then copy the client ID to Notepad. Click Generate a Secret. Copy the secret to the Notepad. Log in to the FLOWRiX app. Go to Settings, then Integrations. Type Xero in the search box and click on Xero. Copy and paste client ID and secret into the relevant fields and click Save. You will be redirected to the Xero page to choose the organization. Select the organization from the list and click Continue. The message, Xero connected successfully, will be in the top right corner. Switch the toggle to activate Xero. Refresh your FLOWRiX app. Go to Settings, then Accounts. This option is only available if Xero is connected and active. Here you can define default accounts for different actions. These accounts are fetched from your Xero charts of accounts. Let's select the default for Purchase, Product Sale, Service Revenue, Shipping, Expense Account, Usage Account for Manufacturing, and Discount Account for Vouchers. Please note that product promotions are sent as single-line items to Xero and will be reflected in the respective sale account. Next, let's map the payment gateways in the system to Xero bank accounts. The list on the right side depends on the number of gateways you have active. By default, FLOWRiX will sync the events to the relevant account mapped in the account settings. If you want to map individual products to different Xero accounts, you can override these default settings under the Products Accounts tab. Go to Inventory, edit a product, click on the Accounts. Change Sale, Purchase, and Usage Account. If you set these settings to a specific account instead of default, changing the default account from the Settings menu will not impact this product. You are all set. FLOWRiX will automatically sync future transactions, including online orders, to Xero. Let's place an order to see this in action. Go to Point of Sale and create a test order. Now go to Settings and then System Jobs. Here, you can see all system jobs. Let's filter by Xero. You can see the sync was successful for the order we placed. Now let's go to Xero and confirm this transaction. Log into your Xero account, and then go to Business, and then Invoices. You can see the invoice and payment is successfully synced. Remember to subscribe and watch tons of cool features in FLOWRiX. Expand your business with the FLOWRiX digital commerce platform. Start your trial today.